Hey brewers, Brad here again. Just another fucked up Friday coming at you. Sometimes on fucked up Fridays, we're not just talking about fuck ups, we're trying to prevent fuck ups. That is a very important thing to do because who likes fucking up? Like, we do this to try to make you feel better about fucking up, but I mean, the idea is to not fuck up. How many times can I say fuck? One more time. Anyway, so one thing that's very, very important to prevent fuck ups. Preventing fuck ups. Very important. This is a fun hobby. Sure, things fuck up sometimes, but we want to be good. We want to keep you having deluxe sippy poos and keep your neighbors from learning some new words. And knowing the difference between sanitizing and cleaning and why that's important will certainly help that. So, to illustrate the difference between cleaning and sanitizing, I've asked Noah, one of our employees here at Grain to Glass, to grab me a stick and jam it into the mud. So see, we got a stick, looks like a piece of pallet maybe. You know, I don't know if it's maple or what, doesn't matter. Lots of mud on there, check out the mud. And here I have some Oxus brand hand sanitizer. Thank you to Oxus for making this to keep us safe during the pandemic. And I'm gonna just try to sanitize this stick. Just straight up sanitizer, should sanitize any surface, right? Cool. Well, I just used like half a year's supply of sanitizer on there. And still looks pretty fucking gross, doesn't it? Now, if I were to wash this with soap and water and then sanitize it, wow, it stinks like sanitizer, wow. And then sanitize it, it would be a heck of a lot cleaner, right? So that's exactly what you're doing with your fermenter if you don't clean it first and then go straight to your sanitizer. What is the difference between cleaner and sanitizer? Diversol. Be Bright, the pink stuff, that's a cleaner. Bleach-based cleaner needs to be rinsed very well. Not good for any of your metal stuff. Plastic and glass only, okay? Rinse well, and then you get on sanitizer. Here's another cleaner. This stuff, PBW, will work with anything, including plastic, glass, and steel, but it's twice the price of Diversol. So I like to use the pink stuff for my plastic and glass and the PBW for my steel. Now, you could just use this for all, totally fine. It's a little bit better for the environment too. However, both these, wash, rinse well. If you do not rinse well, your beer will taste fucked, okay? Now, after you rinse well, you can get into the sanitizing phase. This is all clean, so pretend we put the sanitizer on here. Ooh, wouldn't that look nice? These are my two favorite types of sanitizer. There are others. My favorite, Star San. It's an acid-based, no-rinse sanitizer. You make up a batch with this, and then you just dip whatever you need to be sanitized in there, and bam, instantly sanitized. Iodophor, another fantastic sanitizer. A little bit better at sanitizing than Star San. However, it does not last, and you need to let things dry before they're actually sanitized. So you have a little bit more of a time sink in this one than this one. Also, it's iodine-based, so do not spill it, or it'll look like a massacre. Okay? Now, that's the difference. If you just go with one of these on there, you may as well just put your beer on the ground first before putting it in the fermenter. Like, you could make the best wort. You could take all my advice, make the best frickin' fanciest beer of all time. You put it in a dirty fermenter, it's gonna taste like shit. If there's one thing you learn, don't f this up. Till next time, this is F***ed Up Fridays.